It's been a long time, but welcome back to Cooking with Peggy. I know it's been a while since you've seen me upload some of my cooking videos. As you may have heard, we had a sad event happen right before Christmas. We lost our wonderful dog Shiloh, who was 12 years old, and it really impacted our family, and we had quite a few weeks where it took us some time to get back into the swing of things. By the time we were ready to start filming again, people's work schedules changed and it became very difficult to find the time to start doing our weekly videos. But we are back now and ready to go, and it is a beautiful sunny day out, so we're hopeful to start doing some summer recipes and get back in the swing, and I hope you enjoy some of these offerings as much as I do. So one thing that changed in the last few months, I want to introduce you to our new puppy. This is Coda. Say hi, Coda. He is part Wheaten Terrier, part Poodle. He's considered a Woodle, the same breed as our black dog Bandit, but very different temperament. He's much more Wheaten than Poodle, and he has been a joy. Keeps us on our toes, keeps us very active, and we are enjoying having a new member of our family. Okay, so today we're going to be making zucchini casserole. This is an old family favorite. My sister is responsible for this recipe. We have modified it through the years, and I am not one of those people that can grow anything. I have a black thumb, and so even though zucchini is easy to grow for most people, it is not for me. And I really regret that at times like this, because zucchini is one of my favorite things to cook with, and I have some very good recipes that I hope to share with you now that summer is here and the deliciousness of zucchini can be brought to the forefront. So let's get started. Zucchini casserole. If you have 3 or 4 medium-sized zucchinis, I add mushrooms to mine. My sister doesn't because a lot of her kids don't like mushrooms. So I add mushrooms. Grated carrots, about a cup of grated carrots, about a half a cube of butter for sauteing the mushrooms and carrots, 1 container of sour cream, a large can of cream of chicken soup, and stuffing. I like Mrs. Cubison's herbed stuffing mix. The herb flavoring does not overpower. If you like chicken stuffing or some other kind of stuffing, feel free to try it, but sometimes the chicken flavor overpowers it. If you want to make this recipe vegetarian, just switch out the cream of chicken soup for cream of mushroom soup. First, you want to wash up your zucchini, but leave the skin on. You want to slice off the ends, and then we are going to be cutting the zucchini in about a 1/2 inch to 3/4 of an inch rounds. And we will be boiling up the zucchini until it is just lightly tender. So I've had my salted water boiling in a pan on the stove while I was chopping my rounds of zucchini. Now we're going to add this to the boiling water and let it boil gently for about 5 minutes or so. Now that the zucchini is boiling, I am going to go saute my pre-grated carrots and pre-sliced mushrooms in half a cube of butter. And the reason I buy pre-grated carrots is because I have a tendency to slice my finger when I'm grating carrots, and nobody wants blood in their carrots. And as you know, quick and easy is Peggy's motto for cooking. Okay, so we have sauteed our vegetables and they are on the stove cooling, getting ready to add to our mixture. I have drained the zucchini. It is also on the stove, ready to add to our mixture. Our mixture contains 1 container of sour cream, and then we will have the large can of cream of chicken soup. And then we will be adding half of the bag of stuffing mix. The other half will go on top of the casserole right before we put it in the oven. This casserole bakes for 350 degrees for about 45 minutes. And again, it is just, you can check the top to see how crispy you like the breading on it. Once those 3 ingredients are mixed together, it's time to add our vegetables that we sauteed. Just dump those in and stir it up. And I add these first because you want to get it stirred very well, and when we add our zucchini, we're going to fold it gently so that we don't break the zucchini apart. Okay, time to fold in the zucchini. Okay, you want to gently fold the zucchini. You just go from underneath and fold the mixture around it, trying to be careful not to break apart the zucchini, and yet to get it fully encased with the mixture. And then we will be putting it into our lightly sprayed 13x9 casserole pan, adding the rest of the breadcrumbs on top, and baking at 350 for about 45 minutes. Just sprinkle the breadcrumbs on top. And it's ready to go in the oven. So here we have the finished product of zucchini casserole. I cooked mine for a half hour as it started to brown rather quickly. It can go anywhere between a half hour to 45 minutes in a 350 degree oven, depending on how hot your oven runs. Because we were having a heat wave in Seattle this week, I think my oven was running a little bit hotter than normal. Here you go, enjoy. Bye, see you next time.